What's going on, dudes? We're playing this game again. All right, so let's go right back where we left off, which is getting that guy up there. Excuse me. Actually, I'm gonna get the snowball. And what is that, guys? Wait, I can't get to him. What's he doing in there? Well, I have snow. I gotta get all the snowballs again. Whatever. And the burger. But that's actually it's probably more important. Whatever. You live. Oh, there's a snow fridge too. There's a lot of fridges on this one mountain. Okay. So we gotta go get the one fridge over here. And then we'll get snowballs and just complete this biome. You didn't see that. You didn't see. Can I? Yeah, this is how it went. You told it you didn't see anything. I got the skate fridge from the beginning. Yep. Dang, we're already doing good. We got 2 fridges and we're 1 minute in. Saloon. Let's go to the saloon because I have not done anything in this desert. Oh, this is the orange juice. I can get the mustache fridge. We can go into here. Oh, it takes us back out. Okay. 20 fridges required for the sheriff. What's this? Can I talk to you? My touch inputs are so broken today. Oh, howdy. What can I do for you? Bro, give me your badge. So you're a fridge hunter. I'm not gonna have my badge. I want that badge, boy. You're gonna have to get off my dead. I can't arrange that. Think real hard about I won't blow my hands. You have no hands. Oh. Pooh. Hey, I shot him. That was a real good plot. Can we get some more plot in this? And find the fridges? Okay, so wait, barrel fridge. I wasn't zoomed out. Huh. Okay. Yeah, sure, okay. Is there a pyramid fridge? What time is sand fridge. I knew it. Can you not? Alright. Let me go back to the saloon. I gotta get my orange juice again. $10. Give me. Thank you. Goodbye. Alright. So now we gotta go get the burger and talk to the Moyai. Okay, I'm just gonna teleport there. Giant fridge. Fridge Donald's. Give me my burger. Rotten hamburger. It's a hamburger. Shut up. Moyai. Hello, you're the hero legend. What legend? I don't know, bro. Sounds kind of fake. What's in it for me? I'll give you a cool, epic fridge. Alright, bro, I'll do it. Splendid. Come on. Oh. Yes! The Moyai fridge! Is there more fridges on this sand one? Or this temple? Where was that sand fridge even at? Wait, what? I went inside the pyramid? Oh, that's where the sand fridge was. Okay. You clip through the top of the pyramid. For some reason. Okay. Well, let's go back to the snow one. So I can get those snowballs. 5 snowballs needed. Well, I already know where one is. Actually, I know where like 3 of them are. Huh. Speedrun. We're going to speedrun getting all the snowballs. Boom. Snowball 4. Because 4 is the first number. What's over here? There's gotta be something secret. Ain't no way. Okay, fine. I wanted to clip through that. That's a mammoth fridge. I don't know how to get that. You're playing with some children over there, dang. There's another snowball. Snowball 3. Guys, snowball 3. Shut the hell up. Okay, so there's another snowball here. It's going to be snowball 2. And the snowball over there is snowball 1. So where's snowball 5? All right, I need to go figure out what those buttons are too. I know there's something. Just don't know what. Is there an igloo fridge? There is not. I am stupid. Oh wait, are they in my inventory? Nope. Okay, it's just snowball 1. Where is snowball 5? Where did you put snowball 5? Ah. Here, take all my snowballs. I just need 5 snowball 5. Why is there hamburgers? Oh, snowball 5. We're going in. I don't know what this is about, but we're doing it. Oh, never mind. It's just snowman fridge. That's anticlimactic. Let's go to the sewers. I believe there's missing content. So we went this way, which means now we're going this way. I think we went that way that time. There's a bench here. Is there something on the bench? There's not. Minute to win it. Boom. What is that? Why is there a brick there? Why is there a brick there?
Why is there a brick there?
That's a reference, by the way. You don't get that unless you're this guy. Leaf? Oh. What? Huh? Huh? There he is. You know. We're missing rock fridge. Oh, yeah, I forgot we can morph into fridges. So we don't have coffee fridge, we don't have rock fridge. I guess those two can end off the video. Shh. Anyways. Boo. Bro, at least I said boo. What? Okay, so I did not get the coffee fridge. Let's go look for that. If you find another village along the way, cool.
So cool.
No. Oh, I found him! That was easy as hell. Okay, let's go back to spawn and look for rock fridge. Is there something over here? There's not. Well, I guess I could just buy a fridge to end off the video. What a very boring ending. Fridge Mart, here I come. This was where I ended the last video. Head stack fridge. Coin. Let's get carrot fridge. All right, thanks for